Allow me to introduce some high-quality floor mopping attachments for robotic vacuum cleaners. These attachments are compatible with various brands and models of floor cleaning robots. They are predominantly crafted from exquisite microfiber materials, known for their exceptional absorbency and minimal water residue. The hook design facilitates the effective removal of stubborn stains, while the tightly woven fabric and secure edges ensure durability surpassing that of most products available on the market. They can be washed and reused multiple times. However, it is advisable to replace them regularly to maintain optimal cleaning efficiency. Upgrade your robot vacuum